ViewSonic LS630W Laser Projector Review. 4500 lumens, 360-degree install, network control results. You walk into your presentation 5 minutes early, press power on the projector, and wait. And wait. The lamp slowly flickers to life while your audience files in, staring at a blank screen. Last month, a colleague's projector lamp died mid-pitch with a client in the room. Total silence, total embarrassment. That helpless feeling never gets easier. Sound painfully familiar to you? Every lamp failure costs you wasted setup time, mounting tension before meetings, budget-draining replacements every 2 years, and the quiet dread that today might be the day it dies. The pressure builds invisibly. A school district I know spent over $18,000 annually just replacing lamps across 90 projectors, money that could have funded actual learning tools. Partial brightness means partial impact, but there's a smarter, calmer, permanent solution. Then everything changed when I found the ViewSonic LS630W 4500 lumens DLP WXGA laser projector. Don't just pick any business projector. Make sure it has a laser phosphor light source with 30,000-hour lifespan so you never waste time on emergency lamp replacements or dim failing presentations again. This projector eliminates that entire nightmare. The laser light source delivers 4,500 lumens of consistent brightness for up to 30,000 hours. That's over 14 years of daily use with 0 lamp changes. It powers on instantly in 5 seconds, no warm-up, no waiting. The 1.3 times optical zoom and horizontal and vertical keystone correction let you install it anywhere without compromising image sharpness. The 360-degree projection capability means you can mount it on ceilings, walls, floors, any angle you need. Land control lets IT teams monitor and manage entire projector fleets remotely from one dashboard. A university AV manager told me she eliminated $15,000 in annual lamp costs across 30 classrooms using these. Here's what surprised me. The image stays bright and vivid year after year, unlike lamps that dim over time. And the long-term savings? They're staggering. After months of daily use in real classrooms and boardrooms, the ViewSonic LS630W becomes invisible in the best way. It just works every single time. Presentations are bright and clear even with overhead lights fully on. One AV integration expert said the 4500 laser lumens are real and reliable, holding up perfectly in ambient light. The laser source means we can offer clients a 5+ year solution with almost 0 maintenance worries. An IT manager at a Fortune 500 company shared, "I can monitor all 12 projectors from my desk using a web browser, checking status, power state, and errors without leaving my office." The 1.3 times optical zoom was a lifesaver during installation across different sized rooms. Some worry about the upfront investment compared to budget lamp projectors, but the total cost of ownership tells the real story. 0 lamp replacements over a decade saves thousands per unit, plus eliminated downtime and labor costs. Thousands of schools, corporations, and worship centers are already experiencing the difference. Instant power on, consistent brightness, and network-managed reliability. What would you do with the hours and budget reclaimed from chasing lamp failures and dimming images? The ViewSonic LS630W 4500 lumens DLP WXGA laser projector is a smart investment in reliability, clarity, and long-term savings. Thousands of IT teams, educators, and AV professionals are already enjoying 0 maintenance presentations and remote fleet management daily. Results may vary based on installation environment and usage hours, but the 30,000-hour laser source and instant-on capability deliver measurable time and cost savings. Check the link in the description or pinned comment, click through, experience projection without the lamp replacement nightmare, and take control of your visual presentations today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.